How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to our episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over how to hook up one of our Striker or Virtue traffic advisors and Striker or Virtue dash lights off of our direct control box. So you'll see I went ahead and ran my Virtue 8 via connector to my direct control here, and I brought a red, blue, amber tricolor, for example. And then I went ahead and pre-programmed a flash pattern for my Virtue 4 dash light here, and then hooked the power and ground cables to my aux here. So I have the ability to turn that unit on or off with my direct control. And then I have full control of my traffic advisor with my traffic advising features, my slow and fast function, and then I'll go back to my warning mode here. And then for your dash light, you have the ability to turn that unit on or off, and you can run that independently of your traffic advisor, or vice versa. You can run your traffic advisor without your dash light being on. So again, this is the best way if you want to run one of our Striker or Virtue traffic advisors and Striker or Virtue dash lights off of our direct control box.